Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to upload videos in YouTube. If you are new to this channel, please go down, press subscribe, and leave a like. Now let's dive right into it. When you are here at the first page of your YouTube channel, first go up to the top right and press your profile picture and go to YouTube Studio. And simply press Create here in top right corner. Go down and press Upload Video. Select the video file you want to upload. Here you choose your title to your video. It's important, MT, to make a good title so people want to click and watch your videos. And under your title is the description of the video. I am going to fast forward so you don't need to wait until I finish write the title and description. If you scroll down a bit to thumbnail, and that's the front picture and first picture people going to see, so make it eye-catching. You can either choose auto here and choose a pre-made picture YouTube made, or upload your own. I recommend you to upload your own, but this pre-made picture is a good option if you are in a hurry. Or press upload file. I have already made a thumbnail picture for the video. So this is what I'm going to upload. And this is the front that other people going to see when they decide to click it or not. Here you can select with playlist folder. You want to put the video in, but if you have a lot of videos, it may be good to keep it a bit clean and organized. This is a how to video like this, so I'm going to put it in the how to category. Scroll down, and this settings about if the content is made for kids or not. Almost all content is not made for kids except kids stuff, so it depends on your content. In the settings for your channel, you can select it to always choose not made for kids, so you don't need to think about that. Here at altered content, you often choose no. This is simply if you make something with AI that looks too real or faking stuff. In this settings, I always uncheck everything, but it's totally up to you how you want to do here and what type of content you making. Here is the tags, and that's used word. If people search a specific word connected to your video, and your video is going to pop up for them. Language and stuff is not important in this case. Recording date and location, just skip. Here at license, I always have the pre-selected YouTube license. Embedding is good, could maybe make some advertise for you. Publish to subscribers is a good option to have, but I'm not going to choose it since I don't want to flood my subscriber with content. Usually I don't allow remixing, but you can choose what you want here. Here is a very important setting, category. It's important because your video is going to be aimed for the people that watch videos from this category. I'm going to choose this one because that's the content I make now. Check everything and looks good, and now press next. In this step, you can choose a ending screen, and I recommend to do that, but it's not necessary. However, this is how it works. You press edit and choose what screen you want to be shown in the end. You can move it around and adjust it a bit as you like. This is how I like to have it. And press save. The max length of ending screen is 20 seconds, but you can shorten it if you want to. Hit next, and copyright check is okay because I make my own stuff. Hit next. Here you can choose private if it's just for you, or you want to publish it at a later date, or just public now. And also you can schedule when you want your video to go online. Hit save button. If you want to delete a video, you find the video you want to delete and click those three dots, go down and delete. Check this window and delete video. If you want to edit or change something, or just open the video, click the pen here, and now you can edit it as you want. In this editor, you can trim and cut or blur some face or private information. It's a very useful tool I like to use. Audio, I haven't tested yet, but you can add copyright-free music from YouTube's library for free. I'm going to show you the blur tool since it's very useful. Press the plus in custom blur. In this settings, you choose fixed blur position, and then this blur window appear. You can simply drag around and blur what you want. For example, if I want to blur the name here, I just drag the window over it, and you can also choose how long the blur is going to last in which part of the video. And if you want to blur something more, you need to press save first and let YouTube add the blur in the video. It takes some time, and then go into the editing and add the next part you want to blur. If you found this video useful, please scroll down and leave a like. Thank you for watching.